We're just going to jump right into this low carb, yummy, yummy recipe. You're going to start off with 3 eggs. Add a heaping tablespoon of cottage cheese. And trust the process. My husband hates cottage cheese, but he loved it in this. You can't taste it. So then we're going to add some salt and pepper to taste. Give that a mix. You will need a pie pan for this recipe, and go ahead and oil that pie pan with olive oil. Oil it really good, and we are going to use 1 very large tortilla, low carb tortilla, 4 grams of carbs. Pour that mixture right on top, and then we're going to top that with your favorite veggies. My veggies of choice would be spinach, tomatoes, 1/4 of a diced onion, and 1/4 of a diced yellow bell pepper. If you hear some background noise, I'm sitting outside on my patio because it's beautiful here in Tennessee. But back to our recipe. Once I put my veggies on there, my spinach, tomatoes, bell peppers, and onions, then I top this with some feta cheese. You can use whatever cheese you would like on top of this, but this was my choice. I put just a little bit of feta cheese on top, and then I topped that with mozzarella. I love mozzarella cheese, and I probably used about 1 cup of mozzarella cheese on this. By the way, you are going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Once your oven is preheated, we are going to set our timer for 25 minutes. This could take 20 to 25 minutes depending on your oven. And after 25 minutes, voila, this is ready to be served. This was so delicious, so yummy. I fried up some sausage, breakfast sausage on the side, but afterthought, I could have put the sausage in this, but I wanted to show you how easy it come out of that pan. I did let it cool off for about a good 5 to 10 minutes, lifted right out of the pan, and I used a pizza cutter to cut it. And this was so yummy, so delicious, and this was super easy to make, and the things that you could put on this tortilla are limitless if you think about it. This is just a wonderful recipe. I hope you guys try this out, and y'all be good.